Okay. Hello and welcome to Zazoo Me. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Barbera.
And we are taking you on a journey with us to learn everything about NFTs, blockchain, and cryptocurrency.
We'll be answering questions like what is an NFT, what is cryptocurrency and the blockchain, how do you price and sell an NFT, what is an NFT drop, what does GM 10K project BTD and DAO mean? They're not rappers.
And it's important. They could be, right?
Well, they could be, but they're not. They're not. And why do you want diamond hands?
Ooh, diamond hands.
You can't imagine why. But when you find out, you're going to be like, OMG.
OMG.
Why you want diamond hands?
We're going to give you trending news, quick updates, hot tips, and detailed information on this amazing new way for you to create digital products, digital assets.
Why are you saying digital?
Digital, D-I-G-I-T-A-L, for your business. And we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for joining us. Ciao, guys.